Drought and Phoenix. Drought is increasingly threatening communities across the world, and the United States is no exception. In the southwestern U.S., where water has already been scarce historically, any further water shortages have the power to leave entire communities without sufficient water to meet their basic needs. Phoenix, Arizona is a prime example of an area where access to water is paramount, and it's only becoming more important with increased drought. Two-thirds of the entire state of Arizona is currently in the status of a severe or extreme drought, and communities are already beginning to feel the impacts. Unfortunately, the forecasted environmental changes aren't any more encouraging. Phoenix and many other nearby areas rely on water sources that are supplied by the Colorado River, and the river is beginning to dry up. The winter snow from the Rocky Mountains is a major water source for the river, and recently the winter snow dropped 70% from its yearly average. Due to issues like the water shortage and extensive overdevelopment, which will likely continue, many people view Phoenix as an unsustainable city. The future impact this will have on Phoenix and other communities could vary because it depends on how the available water is ultimately divided for different uses. Some have predicted that the issues will lead to a Phoenix where the wealthy are better able to protect themselves from environmental factors, while the poor will be subject to more sun, heat, and pollution. Although many solutions have been discussed, nothing has been decided and the debate is ongoing. Currently, the options discussed include water restrictions, desalination plants, and even bold ideas like sourcing water from the Great Lakes 1,700 miles away. While no single option seems to be a perfect solution, it seems that the infrastructure of Phoenix and Arizona as a whole may need to adapt to the changing circumstances.